How to use no volume application on your Android device. Now in this quick video, I'm going to provide you setting up or using a no volume application available on your Android. The first, no volume is actually an Android customization app that replaces your device standard volume slider with a stylish radial knob. So go into Google Play Store and make sure that you're downloading the correct application, which is this one. So at the very first glance, pulling up the app, you should be able to see this kind of option. Now, it usually take up around a minute or two for you to be able to allow everything that your phone has features in, especially with the accessibility mode, so that you can start and use the app. So first is once you've successfully allowed all permissions in it, you will be redirected into the home screen of No Volume, which is going to be your general, colors, haptics, and presets. Now, what you can do with this application is typically you can change colors, overlay colored settings, dial backgrounds, dial shadows, inner dial shadows. This is actually the volume keys or the volume options that you have on your mobile device, depending on how you're using it. What you can also try to do is to change the fonts or to change how those volume will show up if you're going to be using them. It's very simple to use and have it running. And that is how you use no volume application on Android.